వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ త్వరలో అటానమస్ కాబోతోంది. 2014లో ISO గుర్తింపు, 2015లో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వంచే A గ్రేడ్, 2016లో NAC A గ్రేడ్, ఇప్పుడు NBA సాధించిన సంస్థ శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్
In this video lecture, I was give the brief description about the number system. I was completed the first unit, so once again I will repeat some key points in the first unit. So those are the topics in the number systems and Boolean algebra, switching function, review of number systems, complements, codes. The codes means 8421 code, binary code, gray code, x3 code, BCD codes already we are discussing. Based on that unit we have to once again I will tell you. So after that we are going to another unit. So number system, already I have told you there are 4 types of number system. First one is the binary, second one is the octal, third one is the decimal, fourth one is the hexadecimal. In binary number system, binary it means 2 digits, that is 0 or 1. Next octal, that means 8, 0 to 7 digits are there. Next one is the decimal, that means total 10, 0 to 9. And last one is the hexadecimal, that means 0 to 9, total 10 digits are there. Here A indicate 10, here A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, F means 15. So here total 0 to 15, that means 16 digits are there. So those are the number system. It was very important because we are nowadays without number system there is no electronic component. Like mobile also we have a keypad, that means the numbers are there. So based on that, without digital part there is no electronic component. We have observed this is the number system's conversion. This is the decimal number system, that means 0 to 10. In hexadecimal 0 to 15. In octal 0 to 7, total 8. So those number systems can be converted using 8421. So in hexadecimal can be converted 841, octal can be converted 841, or 421 also can be converted. Decimal number system can be converted only in 8421. So those are the important. So this is the significant bit. It is also very important in the significant bit we have observed. So this is the least significant bit, this is the most significant bit. This is the LSB or MSB bits. So in hexadecimal, this is the problem for the hexadecimal, 1D63A7. Here 1 is the MSB bit, here 7 is the LSB bit. So this is the conversion from one number system to another number system. So this is the decimal number system can be converted. So you have to observe clearly, decimal to decimal, this is the funny thing. So it is unable to convert decimal to decimal. Here base or radix, whatever the number system is there, that is indicated base or radix. Radix, that means radix 10 or base 10 we are assigning. So this is the base number system 0 to 9. Example 397, this is the integer part. This number system can be converted into decimal. So decimal, this is the we have observed here 3 positions are there. 0 position, first position, second position, 3, 9, 7. Here 0 position, first position, second position. We are converting decimal, that means here 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. In case we are converting octal means 8 power 0 we are placing, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. So based on that, 3 into 10 power 2 plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 10 power 0. So Here 300 we are getting, this is the value of 300, this is the value of 90, this is the value of 7, because 10 power 0 means 1. So 90 plus 7, 97 plus 300, 397. We are getting same value. So this is the funny thing, decimal to decimal is not possible. Again, binary number system. Binary number system. In this binary number system, so this is the conversion. Binary means 0 to 1, only 2 digits are there. Binary to decimal, we are converting binary, that means base 2 to base 10 we are converting. Binary to decimal, this is the value of binary 101. So here 3 positions are there, 0 1 2. So that means this is the 101, this is the position of 0 1 2. That means 1 into 2 power 0 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 2. Same we are mentioning 1 into 2 power 2, 0 into 2 power 1, 1 into 2 power. This is the value of 4, this is the value of 0, this is the value of 1. So totally 5. This is the another conversion, that means binary to decimal conversion. So same thing, octal to decimal conversion also we have observed. So this is our problem. So decimal, octal to decimal, that means 0 to 7. Problem also will be between the 0 to 7 values will be there in that problem only. So in octal means 0 to 7 digits will be available on that problem. So this is our problem 7 5 6. Converting decimal, base 8. So base 8 to base 7. This is the power 0, power 1, power 2. 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. So 7 into 8 power 2 plus 5 into 8 power 1 plus 6 into 8 power 0. So this is the value of 64 into 7, that is the 448 plus 40 plus 6. We have observed 448, 40 plus 6. So total we are getting. So this is the one method. Another method is octal to binary. Octal to binary means base 8 to base 2. That means in this value zeros ones will be only. So in this method we are using 4 to 1 code. This is one example 7 5. This is one example 7 5 6. So this is binary, octal to binary we are converting. In that method we are using 4 to 1 code. So 4 to 1 code, that means 1 1 1 here. So all ones, 4 plus 2 plus 1 7. So this is the 1 1 1. In the same manner this is also we are converting 1 0 1 1 0 1. So 4 will be active, 1 will be active, that means 4 plus 1. This is the 6, that means 1 1 0. 4 plus 2 6, remaining 1 will be inactive. 1 1 0. In the same manner we are getting 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. We have observed clearly 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is the conversion of octal to decimal, octal to binary. This is the another method. Hexadecimal number system, hexadecimal to, this is the tabular form. So 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F already discussed. A is the value of 10, B is the value of 11, C is the value of 12, D is the value of 13, E is the value of 14, F is the value of 15. Here because in octal number, that means 3 digits are there. 0 to 7 means it can be converted using 4 to 1. But decimal and hexadecimal 8 also there. 8 it is not possible to convert using 4 to 1 code on 8. This is the 4 to 1 code. So 8 we are unable to convert. So in this point of view, so we are using 8 4 2 1. This is the group of 4 bit. You have to addition 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So this is the total value of 12 14 15. So our hexadecimal values 0 to 15. So it is possible to convert 8 4 to 1. So in this 8421, this is the hexadecimal values and decimal value. 8421, 8 you have observed clearly, 8421. So 7 we are 9 we are converting, so that means this one will be active, 0 0 and 1 active. So 8 plus 1, that is the value of 9. So 9 we are converting 1001. In the same manner we are converting hexadecimal values into the binary. So next one is the hexadecimal number system, hexadecimal to decimal number system conversions. So we have observed, this is the one example, A9F. So remaining whatever the number system we are converting, octal to decimal, so binary to decimal, so whatever the conversion, one radix to another radix, that means base 2 to 10, base 8 to 10, base 16 to 10, procedure will be same. So we are asking base 16 to base 10. So it is not possible to converting 10. Again we are using 10, means we are getting same answer. So that's why we are using, this is the power of 0 1 2, that means 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. Here A is the value of 15, so 9, B is the value of 10. 10 into 16 power 2 we have observed 10 into 16 power 2, 9 into 16 power 1, 15 into, so we know we have a calculator, based on the calculator we are calculating the value. So this is the hexadecimal to decimal. So next one is the binary next one is the conversion of hexadecimal to binary. In the same example we are converting A9F. This is the problem. So in this problem, converting binary means either zeros or 1 will be there. So we are using 8421 code, based on, this is the value of 10, so 1010, 8421, so 8 plus 2 10, this is the 9, 1001, 8 plus 1, this is the value of f, means 1111. So in that method we are using conversion of decimal to hexadecimal to binary. So this is the, we are converting only integer part. In fraction part will be the different. For example, in fraction part is there, this is, you have to observe, this is the integer part. In this method, this is the integer part will be start power 0 1 2 3 4 and so on. In fraction part, integer part move right to left, in fraction part move left to right. So that means b power minus 1, b power minus 2, b power minus 3, b power minus 7. This is the formula for converting the fraction part. In integer part will be start power of 0, fraction part will be start power of minus 1. So this is the small example, number system base 2 to base 10. So in integer part we have already told you 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power and so on. In fraction part it will be start, for example this is the problem, so 1 2 4 5, so this is the power of 0, this is the power of 1. In fraction part start power of minus 1, power of minus 2, so that means 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 2 into 2 power 0 point 4 into 2 power minus 1 plus 5 into 2 power minus 2. This is the method. So based on that we are calculating the problem. So in the, this is the conversion of binary to decimal. I have already told you. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. We have to observe here, starting from 2 power 0. We have observed clearly. Starting this is the value of 2 power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this manner we are calculating the binary to decimal, we are getting the answer. So in this it is also same thing, octal to decimal. This is the octal digits, 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, calculating hexadecimal to decimal. 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3. Using calculator we are calculating the answer. So this is decimal to any radix. That means what are the possibles are decimal to base 2, base 2, decimal to base 8, decimal to base 16, decimal to base 16. So this is the possibilities. So we have already discussed decimal to any radix base conversion. So integer part repeated division by the radix or recorded the remainder. Fraction decimal multiply by the number. Integer part will be divided. So in this method, we are integer part will be divided. So base 10 to base 2, base 8, base 10 to base 8, base 10 to base 16. So integer part, fraction part will be there. So fraction part multiplies by the number radix until the answer in the inner string. So decimal to binary. So we have observed decimal to binary. That means we are giving 25 base 10 to base 2. So it is the, you have observed 25. So this is 25 can be divided by 2 because decimal to binary. So here dividing, so that means 12 times. So 12 to 24, we are getting 1. Remainder will be note down the separately. Again 2 will 6 times, we are getting 0. Again 2, 3, that means 0. Again 2, 1, 1. So we have observed clearly in this problem we are solving. Answer will be noting the down to bottom. That means 1 1 0 0 1. So we are getting the answer 1 1 0 0 1. So this is the decimal to binary conversion. Decimal to binary conversion. This is the fraction part we have to observe clearly. Fraction part also there. This is the fraction part 0.3125. This is the problem for converting the binary. 0.3125 into 2. We are multiplying the value. We are getting the 0.625. So any value will be occurred in this place. We are note down the value. So again 0.625 multiplying again 2. We are getting 1. In integer part always will be 0. In case any value will be occurred on that integer part, that can be replaced by 0 only. Here we are getting 1. On that value note down the separately. On that value will be replaced by 0. So again we are multiplying 0.25 into 2. So again we are multiplying 0.5. So again 0.5 into 2. Again we are getting 1. So 1.00. Here after fraction part we are not getting any values. So we are note down the values. Top to here in integer part we are note down the bottom to top. Here we are top to bottom we are note down. That means 0 0 1 0 will be the our answer. So we have the 0 1 0 0. So we are getting the answer. This is the one method. So in that same thing we have observed the decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal 427. So same 427 base 10 to 427 base 10 to octal. So 427 we are dividing. 427 we are dividing. So how many times we are getting? In calculation it show the point value. It is not the correct exactly. So how many times we are getting? 50, I think 53 times. It may be 53 or whatever the value. So 53 times maybe 53. You have observed 53 into 8. That means so this is the value. So here 3 will be the again same we are converting 8. So 8 8 8 7 8 6 48. 48 means this we are getting 5. Again 653 will be the our answer. 653 will be the our answer. So decimal to hexadecimal same. Here 8320 divided by 16. Whatever the remainder we are getting, note down the value. Here we have to observe we are here getting 14. That is the value of E. So we are note down the we are not we are not mentioning in the answer 14. That is the invalid. In hexadecimal, decimal to hexadecimal, we have to getting the remainder more than 9, 10 or 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 14, 15 we are getting. Replace that value A, B, C, D, E, F. So based on that we are getting 3, 3, E. So next one is the decimal to octal conversion. So we have already discussed. This is the octal to binary code conversion. Octal to binary code conversion means we have to using 4 to 1 code. Every time octal to binary, in case 7, 5, 6, 7. So this can be here one example is there. We have to observe 6, 5, 3. Converting binary. Binary means only 0 or 1. So we have clearly observed zeros are 1 only available in binary digits. So we are using 4 to 1 code for the conversion of binary. We are converting 6, 1, 1, 0. So we are writing again 5, 1, 0, 1. Again 3, 0, 1, 1. So this is the value. Those are the different examples and we are getting the answer. Next one is the binary to hexadecimal. So binary to hexadecimal ante grouping of binary position 4-bit group starting from the least significant bit. So you have to observe this is the binary digits conversion. We are using 8421 code we are using. So next conversion is here the different example. So this is the one of the example for converting the hexadecimal to binary. Here A is the 10. We are using 8421 code. 8421 code can be converted. A is the value of 10. So 1010 we are note down. 6 that means 0110 we are note down. So in the same manner we are note downing the values. So those are the different math. Next one is the binary addition. So we have already discussed. So binary addition, those are the rules for the binary addition. 0 plus 0, sum 0, carry 0. 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So those are the important. 1 plus 1 equal to sum 0, carry 1. This is the very important thing. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 we are adding 0, carry 1. Again 0 plus 1 that means 1, 1, 1. So this is the very important. So those are the arithmetic addition problems we have to observe. Here the example we are adding. This is the we are adding to observe 0 plus 0 again 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. Here carry getting 111 means here 1, here carry 1. So here 1 again 1. So we have to observe 1 0 0 1 is our problem. So 0 1 1 this is the another. This is the small example I will explain. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1 again 1. This is the our problem. Now solving in this manner we are getting the answer. So same manner this is the subtraction rules, binary subtraction. 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1. 0 minus 1 mean 0 minus 1. That means difference 1 borrow 1 we are getting. We have observed borrow 1 difference 1. We have to solve one example. That this is our example 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. We are subtracting 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 1 borrow 1, 1 minus 1 0. So this is our problem. Again we are solving 1 0 1 1 1. So 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So 1 minus 1 0. Here 0 minus 1 1, borrow 1. So 1 minus 1 0. So 0 1 0 we are getting the answer. This is the another method. So those are the binary multiplication. We have to observe 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. We have to multiply. Any multiplication is occurred in the problem. Multiplication, each time we are multiplying, we are applying the addition rules. In division we are applying the subtraction rule. This is the our exam. This is the problem we have observed. One 0 0 1 1 0 into 1 0 1. This is the nothing but as is same mathematical point of view we are note down. So 1 into 0 1 1 0 0 1. Again we are multiplying. 0 means all are getting zeros. Again 1 means we are getting 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. So we are applying addition rule. We are getting 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. So we have observed 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. So we are also getting same answer. We have observed we are also getting same answer. In each every time we are applying we are solving the multiplication problem. Every time we are solving the multiplication problem, so we are applying the addition rules. So this is the binary division. So here too we have to applying the division rules. This is our one example I will solve you. 1 1 0 we are applying addition rules. First we have to solve. So we are applying 1 1 1, that means 0 0 0. So here also 0, that means we are getting 1 0. This is the answer. In the same thing we are applying one more example. We are solving 1 1 0, that means 1 0. We are applying 1, that means 1 0. We are applying subtraction rules. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, again 0. Again we are applying 1 0 1, that means we are getting 0. This is the our answer 1 1. So this is another example. So this is the example for solving the binary division. This is the ones complement, changing all ones to zeros, all zeros to ones. This is the one another example for the ones complement. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. So this is the example. Ones complement means subtraction of 1 or changing 1 will be 0 or 0 will be 1. That is the ones complement. So we are applying ones complement once. So we are note down the values. So 1 will be replaced by 0 0, 0 will be replaced by 1 0 0 1 0. So this is the we are getting solving the ones complement. Again twos complement. Twos complement means ones complement for 1 we are applying the right hand side bit. First bit we are adding 1. So this is the one example I will solve. The one example 1 0 1 1 0. This is the one example. First we are applying ones complement, that means 0 1 0 0 1. So in twos complement we are adding 1 for the left hand side, adding, that means 1 plus 1 0 1 0 1 0. So we are getting the same thing. So this is the ones complement and twos complement. In lateral we are discussing the 9's complement, 10's complement, 15's complement. So in next video lecture I will explain the remaining topics. After next class I will give the full-fledged conclusion about the number system. So thank you to all.